Today I'm going to show you how to make a small batch of cupcakes. This recipe makes between 4 and 6 cupcakes. You will need 115 grams of self-raising flour, 115 grams of caster sugar, 115 grams of margarine or butter, 1 egg and 1 tablespoon of milk. And then if you want to add a flavouring to your cupcakes, I would suggest either a tablespoon of cocoa powder, a tablespoon of lemon curd, or a teaspoon of vanilla extract. Firstly, in a bowl, cream together your butter and your sugar. Then add your egg and mix well. I'd like to point out this was just 1 egg. I happened to crack a double yolker for the first time in my life while filming. Then add your self-raising flour and mix really well until the very thick batter forms. Then add your milk and mix in. This will thin out your batter and make it more of a cake batter. Then add your flavouring. I went for a chocolate cupcake, but any other flavouring that you want to add, you can add at this point. Then, having pre-prepared our cupcake tray by lining the tray with cupcake cases, simply spoon your mixture into your cases. You don't want the mixture to fill the cases too much because then it will spill over the top while it raises, so I would suggest 3/4 of the case full with batter. Then simply place in a preheated oven at gas mark 5, 190 degrees centigrade or 170 fan assisted for 12 to 16 minutes, or until a skewer comes out clean. And there you have it. That's how you make a small batch of cupcakes.